Small business owners, please stop guessing with your marketing. If you are posting consistently, you're trying different platforms, you're boosting random content, but you don't have a clear strategy tied to revenue, then that's the problem. It's not your effort, it's your structure. Most small business owners struggle because they lack clear positioning, a defined audience, focused campaigns, and measurable goals. And that's exactly what we fix inside the Booming Marketing program. This is a 4-week live marketing experience where we help you to clarify your brand, choose the right channels, build structured campaigns, and align your marketing with real business growth. And when you complete the program, you'll receive a customized social media strategy built specifically for your business, plus access to one-on-one marketing coaching to help you implement it. Now, let me be upfront about this. Yes, it's free. It's free because our corporate partners fund it, not because it lacks value. For over 6 years, hundreds of business owners have gone through this program and they have seen measurable growth in their business. The only cost is your commitment. We want you to just show up. If you're serious about business growth, this year is your year. We're not about to keep posting and hoping. We're going to register for the Booming Marketing program and see your business boom. Enrollment won't stay open long, so stop guessing and start building. Register today.